Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the easy velocity edit tutorial. So here I've already added a video of a little girl dancing, and it actually has a song or music in it, but I'm going to just mute the sound because I don't want to get copyrighted, but it is there. So if you want to do the velocity edit, the easiest way is to use the auto velocity in CapCut. So what you need to do is you can just click on your video in CapCut and go to style, and then here just swipe left until you find the auto velocity. Just click on that, and now the CapCut will be generating. Just wait. Okay, so now it's done. Let's just see the result. So it's actually matched with the beats, and you can also make some adjustments. Just click on the style, so you can choose the interval between two beats. You can just swipe left or right, but if you want to use the default settings on CapCut, you can just click on reset and click on OK. Okay, so I'm going to just choose these velocity edits. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.